got them. Yeah. Smooth nigga for real. Hide your wife for real. Low key. Yeah.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ray. Thank you guys so much for watching. Today's video is a little different. It's a relaxing hair maintenance day and I'm getting my hair done, but this time professionally. I just wanted to sit back, relax, and enjoy being pampered. Here, I had just taken down my braids. My hair was so dirty and it definitely needed a thorough wash. And this is the hair I'll be using, a drawstring ponytail from CurlsQueen. I wanted something clean with a little twist, so I decided to go for a sleek ponytail with side braids. As soon as I got in, she ran right to work, scrubbing my scalp just the way it's supposed to be done. She washed it 3 times, I think, really taking her time, not rushing at all. I literally almost fell asleep. Then after the wash, we moved on to blow drying. Then it was time for Silkpress. I had trimmed my hair at home about a month ago, but I actually cut a little more than I should have, of course. And still, we needed to trim a bit more because the ends were rough, especially as she was passing the flat iron through. That's why my hair looks a bit short here. As nice as it is to see my hair like this, I'm not gonna lie, I'd much rather have volume. I love me some big hair. You guys should know this by now. Once that was done, she started the styling process, creating one braid on each side. I have a very tender scalp and it usually hurts a lot when others handle my hair. That's why for the longest time I've been doing it myself. But this time there was no pain. It was very easygoing. She was really gentle, which I appreciate a lot.
Take up some space. You're too far away. Make no mistake. I think you.
When she finished both braids, we moved on to the slicking part. She applied wax, then got to be hairspray and blow dried it to keep everything in place. It was an intriguing process. I'm not gonna lie, I found myself just staring, watching everything she was doing. I should add, I've never done this before, which is probably why.
There's heaven at your fingertips. Don't you let a minute slip. Say you have me. Oh, taste and see. Hope you don't sleep on me. I got good and plenty. I've been all the spaces in between. It's magic. magic when I taste you in the beam. Average day spent all in the sheets. In the fabric when I tell you what you mean to me. Demonstrate intimate memories every time I give you energy. Emphasis, never sleep. Say you have me. Oh, taste and see.
At this stage, I was getting excited. Once everything was sick down, she braided my hair, then put it into a bun. Next, of course, we had to make it look clean, so she did my baby hairs and added some extra swoop. For the final part, she installed the drawstring ponytail from CurlsQueen. It's 20 inches and this is the water jerry curly texture. I had already washed it before coming and didn't put any product on it. I just let it air dry. Then she installed the ponytail and wrapped the drawstring around. Taking some extra hair from the ponytail to wrap around it so the drawstring wouldn't show. She even mentioned how soft the hair is and was surprised at how easy it was to flat iron the extra piece. Once everything was in place, she sprayed some leave-in conditioner to make the curls pop, and that was it. The hair turned out very fluffy, bouncy, and lightweight. I also have a discount code for you, DRRY, to save some coins if you guys want to try it out. To be honest, I thought I'd only keep this hairstyle for a couple of days, but it ended up lasting a full 2 weeks, and it still looked good even on the very last day. At night, I would just wrap it up in a bun, sometimes with a scarf, sometimes without it if I'm too lazy. And in the morning, refreshing it took less than 5 minutes. I did not even brush the ponytail once, I think. I'll just spray a little bit of water, add some leave-in conditioner if I wanted the curls to pop, finger detangle, and let it air dry while I'm doing my edges and makeup. And I have to say, it barely shed at all. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.